Hi and welcome back. So guys, are you someone who is struggling to improve your sales of your WooCommerce store, and specifically you are annoyed with the cart abandonments you are getting on daily basis? So guys, this video is going to be very helpful for you because here I'm about to show you an automation technique by which you can recover your abandoned carts by using your most favorite messaging application, which is WhatsApp. So guys, now you can see on my screen, this will be the flow of this automation. Here guys, in WooCommerce store, as and when you receive a cart abandonment issue, so the cart abandonment means your customer reaches your store, put some products into the cart, but didn't make the purchase, okay, and leave the cart. So this is called cart abandonment. So as you receive a cart abandonment issue here, a WhatsApp message along with some coupon codes will be delivered to the same customer who abandons the cart automatically. Yes guys, along with the cart's link also, so that he can reach back inside the cart and completes the payment. Okay, so this is going to happen automatically guys, so you don't have to look out manually who is abandoning your cart, and you don't have to manually reach out to that customer manually on WhatsApp. So guys, it will surely save your time, your energy, and improve your sales as well. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So to start setting up this automation guys, first of all, you need to reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And to reach here, you can use this link, pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted the same in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on the sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now, then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So here I'm giving the name as recover WooCommerce abandoned carts via WhatsApp. All right, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page guys, you will find the trigger and the action. So these are the basic building blocks of this automation. So the trigger is the happening of an event which is going to trigger or start this workflow. So it is saying here when this happens, and action would be the response towards the trigger. So it is saying here Pabbly Connect do this. All right, so here first of all we need to set up the trigger, and in our use case the trigger would be abandoning of a cart from your WooCommerce store. Okay, so set up the trigger here, and from this choose app field you have to choose WooCommerce as your trigger application. Select WooCommerce, and in the trigger event you have this option. Let me show you, new cart abandonment. So it will trigger on new cart abandonment. Okay, select it, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL guys, and with the help of this we are going to make a connection with our WooCommerce store, and after that we are going to capture the response of that webhook connection. Okay, so you need to follow these instructions written here to make this connection. You can see, first of all, you need to install and activate WooCommerce abandoned cart recovery plugin inside your WooCommerce store. After that, you have to activate it, and you will find that option here on the left hand side panel. Let me show you. So this is my WordPress applications dashboard, and here you can see in the plugin section, I can show you in the installed plugins the plugin that I have already have. Which here you can see guys, we have WooCommerce cart abandoned recovery plugin installed and activated here. And after this, when you click on WooCommerce here, you will find this cart abandonment option here in this WooCommerce only. Okay, so click on cart abandonment, and after that you will reach this page, and here you have to click on settings. All right, and under the settings, let's check here the instructions. Enable tracking. Okay, so you have to enable a tracking option here. You can see you have to check this box, enable tracking, and here it is asking for cart abandoned cutoff time. So here you have to enter the time in minutes to decide let's say your customer put some products into the cart, okay, and he closed the window, and you can see that in 10 minutes he didn't complete the purchase, or in 15 minutes he didn't complete the purchase. So after 15 minutes you will consider that the cart is abandoned. So you have to select that time after which you approve that the cart is abandoned. Okay, so here I am selecting the time. So here I am putting 15 minutes only. This means that after adding the products into the cart, the purchase would not be completed after 15 minutes. So we will consider that the cart is abandoned by the customer. Okay, and after that, let's follow the instructions again. You have to enable the webhook checkbox also. Okay, so here you will find the webhook checkbox. So here you can see in the webhook settings, guys, we have this enable webhook option. So you have to check this box. Okay, and when you check this box, it will show you this webhook URL field here. So here you have to copy and paste this webhook URL that you got from your workflows. You just copy it from here and paste it here in this field like this. Okay, and here you can see, as I have copied this webhook URL, here it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. Okay, so this means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means we need to fetch the cart abandonment data here, which will act as a test data for us. Okay, it's to set up this automation further. So now to fetch the data of our test cart abandonment, you can see here in my WooCommerce I have this trigger sample button. So when you click on trigger sample, the sample data of a cart abandonment will be delivered here in this response. Let me show you. So I'm clicking on trigger sample. Okay, let's see here if we got the data captured. So here you can see, guys, in the sample data we got the sample name, the sample last name, the email address of the sample customer, and here you can see in the product name section we got the product 1, product 2. Okay, that's how you can capture the sample data. This means our connection was made with WooCommerce. So from here now scroll down and click on save changes here. Okay, so you can see our connection is completed. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this recapture webhook response again, and we are going to manually add some product into cart, and we will abandon the cart manually, and we are going to capture that sample data or test data again, so that I can show you clearly how the product names will be look like here. Okay, so I'm going to make a demo purchase here. So this is my WooCommerce stores page. Here I am clicking on add to cart for this iron press product. Okay, from here I am going to click on continue, proceed to checkout, and from here this is our another test customer. Here are the details of this test customer. Here I am going to fill the WhatsApp number of the customer like this. Okay, and now I am clicking on place order. Here you can see we have okay, first let me click on recapture webhook response button, click on yes, and you can see it started showing waiting for the response again, and we have added this product into the cart, and we have added all the details. And now I am not going to place this order. I am going to close this page, close this checkout page, so the cart will be abandoned here, and the data of this cart getting abandoned will be captured here in this response received section. Okay, so I'm closing this page, guys, closing this tab. Okay, and the data will be captured here in few minutes. So guys, you can see now the data got captured here of the cart we just abandoned. The name of the customer is here, Daniels Joe, the WhatsApp number, the address, the product he had put in the cart is here. Okay, and all the things are here. Right, so this is how we can capture the test cart abandonment details. And now, guys, you can see here we got the details of the product, but we didn't get here the product ID. So we need to fetch the product ID, guys, because we are going to use that product ID when we are going to create coupon codes inside WooCommerce. Okay, so for getting the product ID, you have to use this actions tab, and from here search for WooCommerce again. Okay, and select it, and here in the action event you will find this option. retrieve a product by name or slug. Okay, you have to select this, retrieve a product by name or slug, and here you can see in the first tab we got the name of the product. So with the help of this product name label, I am going to retrieve the ID. So now click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection, and here you can see it is asking for the consumer key, the consumer secret, and the website URL of your WooCommerce store. So to find these things, guys, you need to reach the settings of WooCommerce. There you will find all these things. Let me show you. This is my WooCommerce plugin, guys, and here I have this settings option. Click on settings. Alright, and on the settings page you will find this advanced tab right here. Click on it, and under the advanced tab, guys, let me read the instructions again. You have to click on REST API. Okay, so click on REST API option here, and guys, here you have to add a key. You can see in the instructions you have to click on add key button. Okay, so let me click on add key. Okay, and here it is asking for the description, so you can put a little description here. So I'm putting the description as cart abandonment. You can put any kind of description. Okay, here you have to select the user, and here you have to select the permissions. Let me see, you have to choose read and write permissions. So let me select read write permission from here. Okay, then click on generate API key button, and this is the consumer key, the secret that we needed. So you can just copy both of these things. I'm copying the key here and paste it here. Similarly, copy the secret and paste it here. Okay, and here it is asking for the website's URL. Okay, so you can see here the URL of your website is here, so you can copy it from the search bar. Okay, and copy it like this, just this portion, and paste it here like this. Okay, so you can see in the example you have to paste the URL without the ending slash. So I'm going to remove this ending slash. Okay, so this is our website's address. Now click on save, and we'll be connected with WooCommerce like this. Okay, and here it is asking for the product's name or the product slug. Okay, so we got product name label here, guys, in the first step. This is the product name label, so I'm going to use this label here, and I'm going to map the label here. So just click here and it will show the WooCommerce step in the drop down, and from here only map the product name label like this. Okay, and we did not require product slug. We can only fill any one of these things and the data will be fetched of this product. So I'm clicking on save and send test request now, and here you can see we got the product ID here, the name of the product, also the permanent link of the product, and all the things, right? The SKU and all other details are also here. So guys, we have fetched the details of the cart abandonment and the product details, and now I want to send coupon codes to the person who have abandoned this cart. So to create coupon codes, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect. Let me show you. Just click here on this plus icon, and from this actions tab search for number formatter feature of Pabbly. Okay, here it is, number formatter. Select it, and in the action event I am going to use this option. The option is spreadsheet formulas, this one. Okay, so we are going to apply a spreadsheet formulas, and with the help of that we are going to generate some random integers, let's say between 100 to 999. Okay, and with the help of those random integers we are going to generate a code, coupon code for our customer, right? So click on connect here, and here it is asking for the formula to enter. So you can check the formula list here by clicking on this check formula list word, and here you will reach this page, and here you can find out these formulas, guys. And on this page you can see all the formulas, and here I'm using this one. Here you can see we have this rand between formula. This is the format of the formulas, so you can copy this formula format from here only like this. Okay, and yeah, you can paste this formula here like this. Okay, and in the brackets you have to place the numbers. Let's say we want to fetch random integers between 100 and 999, so you have to put 100 first, then you have to put here 999. Okay, like this. And after that, when you click on save and send test request, it will show you the random integers in the result label like this. So we got some random integer here. So every time as this workflow is going to run, the random integers will be generated with the help of this automatically, right? Now guys, we need to have a expiry date of the coupon code also, because the coupon code we are going to generate in WooCommerce have some expiry date. So let's say our coupon codes expires in 3 days or 4 days. Okay, so the customer have to complete the purchase in between 3 to 4 days only. Okay, that's then only he can avail the discounts with the help of coupon code. Okay, so to get the expiry date, just click here on this plus icon, and we are going to use another feature of Pabbly Connect here, which is called Datetime Formatter. So search for Datetime Formatter here. This is it. Select it, and here I'm going to use an action event which is called modify current date. So when you use modify current date, you can modify the date on which the workflow is running. That means the date on which the cart is abandoning, you can modify that date. So we want an expiry date which is 4 days after the date of cart abandonment. So with the help of this, I am going to add 4 more days to the date on which the cart is getting abandoned. Okay, so click on connect here, and here it is asking for the format, so we can use this format only. Okay, and here it is asking for the time zone. So my time zone is Asia Kolkata, guys. You have to enter your time zone. Okay, and here it is asking for the operation. So I want to add days, so I am selecting add here. Units are days only, and here in the value I am going to put 4. Okay, so because I want to add 4 more days to the current date, or the date on which we got the cart abandonment issue, right? Now click on save and send test request, and here you can see in the date time label we got the date which is 4 days after the date of today, and this will act as the expiry date of our coupon code. Okay, now we can finally generate coupon codes, create coupon codes inside WooCommerce. For that, just click here on this plus icon, and from here I'm going to choose WooCommerce again. Okay, and here we are going to use an action event which is called create a coupon. So here you will find that here you can see we have this option, create a coupon. Select this. Okay, then click on connect, and now we can use existing connection option, because we have already connected with WooCommerce in the trigger and as well as in the action step. So I can use that existing connection that I have already made with WooCommerce, and now just select this existing connection option and then click on save, and you will be connected again with WooCommerce. No need to generate the key and fill the keys again. Okay, so we are connected, and here it is asking for the coupon code. Okay, and the discount type and all these things. So let me fill these things. So guys, we have generated the coupon code here with the help of this formula, and we got this random integers. Okay, so I'm going to map this result label, guys, here in this coupon code field. So just click here, and from the spreadsheet formula step, map the result label, and here I am going to put an underscore, and let's say you want to provide the discounts of 10% to the person who is abandoning the cart. So I am putting here 10%. So I am making the coupon code look more presentable. This is the kind of coupon codes we send. Okay, so this is how the coupon code will be generated for every user, for every person who are abandoning the cart. And the discount type is percentage only. The amount, okay, so here it is asking the amount of discount. It should be always be in numeric, even if settings a percentage. So we are providing 10% discount, so here you have to put 10. Okay, coupons description, if you want to provide a description, you can provide here. Here it is asking for the coupon's expiry date. So we have generated the expiry date here in this previous step. This will act as the expiry date. Okay, so I'm going to map this expiry date label here. So from this last step, I am mapping the date time label. Okay. Individual use. If true, then coupon can only be used individually. Other applied coupons will be removed from the cart. Okay, so you can select this option. You can make it true or false according to your need. Right now, I'm keeping it false. Here it is asking for the product's ID. So here you have to enter the product ID on which you want to apply that coupon. Okay, so we are retrieving the product IDs here in this second step, as I have shown you that we have retrieved the product ID by using this action step, retrieve a product by name or slug, and we got the product ID here in this response result label field here. Here is the ID for this product. So I'm going to map this ID here in this product ID field. Okay, so from this, okay, so you have to toggle this map button to on first. Okay, then only you can map the ID from the second step. This is the ID. Okay, so if you want to provide free shipping, here we have free shipping also option also. You can see you can make it true or false. Right now I'm making free shipping true only. Okay, and here it is asking exclude the sales item. So if you apply this true here, this coupon will not be applied to the items that have sales price. Okay, so I'm making it false here. Minimum amount, enter the minimum amount order that needs to be in cart. Okay, so you can use all these examples. I'm just showing you the demo. So I have filled the required details, the minimum details, guys. And when you map the data, what will happen? After setting up this automation, as and when you are going to receive the abandoned cart issue, these labels are going to change automatically and new coupon codes will be generated according to the new expiry date and for the new product ID, because we have mapped the labels here. Okay, this is how it is going to work. Right now it is time to generate the coupon. So by clicking on save and send test request, you can generate coupons inside WooCommerce. Okay, and here you can see in this response received section, we got a coupon code generated here, which is this 342_10%. This is the coupon code for this product and the status is published. You can see, so a new coupon code is published here. Now guys, I want to send this coupon code to the person who have abandoned our cart on WhatsApp. For that to happen, just click here on this plus icon and from another action step, search for WhatsApp's Cloud API. Here it is. So the Cloud API feature is recently launched by Facebook as a platform for business people and persons to connect their numbers with the API or the application programming interface of WhatsApp and send transactional messages to multiple people at once on WhatsApp, right? So you need to set up your Cloud API for WhatsApp before using this feature here. So if you want to know how to set up the Cloud API for you, you can watch the videos from the description, guys, where we have clearly and thoroughly explained in a video how you can create an app and how you can connect your number with the WhatsApp's API. Okay, so do watch that, and after that you can use this feature here. And in the action event, I'm going to use this send template message option, and then I'm going to click on connect. And from here, select add new connection if you are making the connection with the Cloud API setup for the very first time. Okay, so here you can give a name to this connection as well. Here it is asking for the permanent access token of the Cloud API setup, the phone number ID and the business account ID. So if you want to know more about these things and how to make connection inside Pabbly Connect of your Cloud API setup, you can just click here on this here word, guys, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly. It is loading up here. This is the forum page, and here you will find these two videos. First video is to set up WhatsApp's Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. You can watch it. Second one is for generating the permanent access token of the Cloud API setup, and then we have these steps along with screenshots to connect WhatsApp inside Pabbly Connect in Trigger and in Action, and you can learn many things about the WhatsApp Cloud API setup from here only, right? And to find these three things, guys, I can show you my Cloud API setup. Here you can see I am under Meta for Developers page, and here I have created an app. So I'm clicking on my apps, and this is an app I am using for this purpose. Okay, and here, guys, on the dashboard you will find this WhatsApp option, and click on Getting Started page in your Cloud API setup, and in the Getting Started page you will find the temporary access token first. So first they gave you temporary tokens, but these tokens expires in 24 hours, so you need to generate a permanent access token. And if you want to know how to do that, you can watch the video from the description or from this forum page here like this, and you will get to know everything how to generate the permanent access token. And after getting that generated, you have to keep it safe because we are going to use the same token afterwards also to make the connections. Okay, so after generating the token, paste it here in the token field, and you will find the phone number ID here. You can copy it from here and paste it here in this field like this. Similarly, you will find the business account ID here. You can copy it and paste it here like this. Okay, and after filling all these things, just click on save and you will be connected with the WhatsApp's cloud API. Okay, and guys, the connection that you're making here is going to be saved in your account. So making the connection by this process is a one-time process only, because the connection is going to be saved here. And after that, if you want to make the connection again in a different workflow in future, you can use that existing connection only. As I have already connected many times before with my cloud API setup in different workflows, so now I can choose my existing connections. Let me show you how. So we have this select existing connection option. Just click on it, and here it will show you the select connections option. And when you click here, it will show you the list of all the connections that you already have inside your account. So from here, you can choose any one of your connections. I'm using this one. Okay, and now I just have to click on save, and you can see we are getting connected again. Okay, so it is showing you connected, and here it is asking for the template's name or the message template's name. So guys, message templates are the standard pre-created message structures that you need to create beforehand to send messages to WhatsApp to multiple people at once, right? So if you want to know how to create a message template and how to get it approved, you can watch the video from the description where we have taught everything about creating WhatsApp templates and getting them approved. Okay, and the template I am using for this purpose, I can show you that. Here you can see it is written here to create your own message template. Click here. So when you click on this here word, you will reach this page. This is the message template section of the cloud API setup, and these are all the approved templates I have, guys. And this is the template message I am using for this purpose. So you can see the name of my message template is cart abandonment, and here you can see the preview of this message. So you can see the preview here. It is saying, hi Roger Binney, we are having trouble processing your recent purchase for book. Would you mind completing it? Here is the link to continue. You left off. Use this code as a coupon code. Code will expire at this date. Okay, so this is a kind of message we are going to send to our customers to recover our cart abandonment issue. And here you can see in this message, I have this name placed here of a sample customer, the product name, the link, and the coupon code and the date. So these are the things which are going to change with every new message, guys. With every new cart abandonment issue, the customer's name, the product's name, the cart's link, the coupon code, and the expiry date, all things are going to change. So to get a few things change with every new message, we need to place some body fields or the variable tags also inside the message template. Here you can see in the message template, I have this 1 in double curly braces, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these are the variable tags or the body fields. So if you want to know how to create such a template and how to place body fields here, you can watch the video from the description, guys. And after that, you can create a template and then get it approved. And after that, you can use it here in your workflow. So here I am going to use my template with the name of which is cart abandonment. Here it is selected. All right. And here after that, you have to come to this recipient mobile number field, and here you have to enter the WhatsApp number of the customer who have abandoned our cart. So we have received the test data of our customer here in the first step, you can see, and in the test data we have received this label. I can show you. We have received this label. Okay, phone number label. Here we got the WhatsApp number, and I'm going to use this label, guys, to map it here, so that we can send messages to every customer who is abandoning the cart. Okay, so just click here, and from this first step, map the phone number label, and now it is asking for the body field 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I have shown you that we have 5 body fields here, and to get the body field changed dynamically with every new message, we need to map the values of those body fields here in our workflow. So let us map the details. First body field is for the name of the customer, so I'm mapping the name. Okay, second body field is for the product, so you will get the product name from the first step. Map the product name label. Third body field is for the cart's link, the abandoned cart's link. So to map the abandoned cart's link, you can use the first step, and here we have the checkout URL label. map the checkout URL. Okay. In the fourth body field, guys, we are going to have the coupon codes placed. So we have created the coupon codes in the last step. In the WooCommerce step, create a coupon. So from here, map this code. Okay. Right. And in the fifth body field, we need to map the expiry date of the coupon code that you will find here in the fourth step, where we have used modify current date action step to get the expiry date. So map this date time label here. Alright, so we have mapped all the details. Now you can click on save and send test request to send a test message on this WhatsApp number. So guys, I have the access of this WhatsApp account, so I can show you how the message is going to look like. So I'm clicking on save and send test request here. And here you can see, guys, this is the WhatsApp message we have received. It is showing, hi Daniels Joe, we are having trouble processing your recent purchase for iron press. Would you mind completing it? Here is the link by which you can complete, and here is the checkout page link. Here is the coupon code, and here is the expiry date. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and that's how it is going to work. And in place of the body fields that we have here, you can see we got the data placed as we want. In place of the first body field, we got the name, we got the product's name, we got the link, we got the coupon code, and everything is here. Okay, so our connection is working fine, and you have to set up this automation only once, guys. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when you are going to receive a cart abandonment issue, such kind of WhatsApp messages will be delivered automatically to the persons who are abandoning your cart, and you can recover those abandoned carts. And guys, you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start recovering your abandoned carts instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.